Good morning, I'm Adithi Rao. My user group is a culinary artist and executive chef. As explained in the previous video on user group and site analysis, the site is located in Srirangpatna and it is located near Kaveri River and it is subjected to flooding. I've done my case study on a weekend house designed for a young family called the Pindimar Lake House. Pindimar Lake House is located on the edge of a lake on the central coast of New South Wales, Australia. The site is similar to our site, that is with a waterfront, and it is also subjected to flooding. Highlights of the case study: harmony with nature, how the house blends with the surrounding landscape. It appears to be a part of the surrounding. Flood resistant. The site is subjected to flooding and hence the house is raised on piles. Unique structure of the house. As we can see in the plan, the spaces are distributed. They are not placed in a single form. Since it is a weekend house and mostly used during holidays, it gives an holiday encampment feeling. Simple and raw elemental construction. The house is constructed using wood, glass and concrete. Of the 4 sites A, B, C and D, I have chosen site C for my project. This is site C. Reasons for choosing site C. It is at a distance from the building which is next to the whole site. Site A and site D are next to the trench and most of the times water collects there, leading to pungent smell and growth of insects. Site C has direct approach and it is easily accessed from the interior road. Major views like the Srirangpatna fort and the river are captured through the site. The trees or vegetation doesn't block the view. It has minimal vegetation and there is no need of destroying them for construction purpose. Concept. The term chef is synonymous with delicious cuisine, aromatic flavors and obviously a beautiful dish presentation that not only satisfies our gourmet desires but are also treat to the eyes. Curved lines create more distinct sense of movement and excitement than straight lines that seem flat and restful. Curved or circular lines provide relief, softness and balance. They can give an elegant quality. Curved forms are fluidic and they are influenced by nature, which allow them to blend into the surrounding landscape. Concave curve diverges the views. To capture the major views like the Srirangpatna fort and the Kaveri river, concave curves are used. The principle of design used here are repetition and rhythm. The curves are repeated here. A series of curved lines may give a rhythmic effect suggesting graceful movement. It is a two-level structure where all the public spaces are concentrated on the lower floor and all the private spaces are concentrated on the upper floor. Since my user group is a chef, the special space is the kitchen. Kitchen being on the morning side of the house, enjoying the east light and afternoon warmth in the living room. The lower story consists of an open plan with living, dining and kitchen with a small bathroom or a wash space. It mainly consists of all the public spaces. It also has an outdoor space. The upper story consists of all the private spaces that includes the guest bedroom, kids bedroom and a master bedroom. This is the plan. As we can see, there are two concave curves and openings are provided here to capture the major views. This is the lower floor plan. An open plan of living, dining and kitchen can be seen here. An open plan has been provided here because since my user group is a chef, the special space is the kitchen. People can view the activities happening here from anywhere around. It also has an outdoor space. The backyard can be accessed through these steps. There's also a parking and a garage. This is the upper floor plan. It consists of all the private spaces that includes the guest bedroom, kids bedroom and master bedroom. There's a common washroom provided for the guest bedroom and the kids bedroom. There's also an outdoor space in the upper floor and all the rooms have balconies. The whole structure is raised on piles to avoid flooding. This idea is adapted from my case study Pindimar Lake House. It is an amphibian structure, a house on land designed to survive a flooded landscape. This is the section and this is the outdoor space that can be accessed from the upper floor. These are the piles on which the house is raised. This is the other section. This is the garage. A slope has been provided here for the vehicles to move in. These are the piles on which the house is raised on. There is a layer of weak soil at the surface. This layer cannot support the weight of the building, so the lower of the building have to bypass this layer and be transferred to the layer of a stronger soil or rock that is below the weak soil. In end-bearing piles, the bottom end of the pile rests on a layer of especially strong soil or rock. The load of the building is transferred through the pile on the strong layer. In a sense, this pile acts like a column. The key principle is that the bottom end rests on the surface, which is the intersection of a weak and strong layer. The load therefore bypasses the weak layer and is safely transferred to the stronger layer. This is the rear elevation facing the river where major openings are provided to capture the views. This is the front elevation facing the internal road and this is the garage. This is the slope. This is the view facing the river. Materials used: timbercrete, wooden piles and glass. Timbercrete is an award-winning environmental sensitive building material that has many advantages over clay and concrete bricks. It is made of a unique blend of timber waste, cement, sand binders and other materials, primarily from timber waste such as sawdust or recycled timber. Thank you.